Hi everyone, my name is Josue with the Sportlight and I'm here to teach you how to use our mushroom grow kits.
Okay, let's start opening our pink oyster mushroom grow kits from the top of the gobble box. Remember, we have a 30 days return policy from the moment you receive it. If anything is wrong with it, just let us know via email. We'll take care of it, no questions asked. So let's pull our instructions out. We're gonna find also our fully myceliated mushroom bag, and we also include a spray bottle for you. So let's take a quick look at the mushroom bag just to make sure everything looks okay. So brown spots are okay, that's totally normal. Sometimes you're gonna see a little bit of mushrooms starting to paint out like pink colors, that's totally normal too. What we're looking for is that the mushroom substrate looks like a block to you. Now let's grab our pair of scissors and let's make a small cut on the top right corner of your bag. If you want to know what's the front of your bag, is where you have the filter patch. Do not remove the filter patch, and you can see on the top right corner the small cut that we just did. Now let's go ahead and push the air out. We're gonna fold it down just like this. We're gonna grab the same pair of scissors and do a small cut, forming an X in the front side of your mushroom substrate, just like this. Now, while you're making the X, you want to go deep into the substrate to make an indentation into it. That's from where the mushrooms are going to start painting out from. Let's grab our mushroom block and flip it upside down. Now, let's grab our spray bottle. Let's fill that up with tap water, and we're going to start spraying the surface of the X. You don't need to pull the flaps up or spray into the substrate. You just need to keep the surface wet as much as you can. If you live in a very dry environment, you're gonna keep spraying a little bit more. Now, if you live in a very humid environment like in the Caribbean or in Puerto Rico, you don't need to spray it as much maybe, but you want to keep an eye on your mushrooms. You want to avoid them to go dry. So keep them humid as much as you can until the day of harvest.
So there you have it. That's how you grow your mushrooms at home. Very easy step-by-step process, not complicated at all. We were able to grow these mushrooms only in 6 days, very quickly. So we hope you enjoyed this information on how to grow these mushrooms. If you have any questions still, feel free to write us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you in the process. Feel free to share this video with anybody as well. I hope you guys enjoy it. Once again, thank you, and I'll see you next time.